Hello again. Today is 22nd of May 2019. We just finished a long motorway test run on a Peugeot Boxer 2014 2.2 diesel with lots of DPF issues, turbo issues, and it was running like a pig and driving like a pig. Now, what do you say about your van and how is it driving? Do you have a smile on your face?
I do have a smile on my face. My name's Dave and I had nothing but problems with my van, which I didn't realise there was any problems, but there was. It wasn't responsive enough and it wasn't fast enough, and economically it was using a lot of fuel, which I didn't realise until eventually the actual van packed up on me totally. So I got Errol's number and took my van to Errol. I've never known anyone to be able to repair a van so quickly for me. Done all the emissions and sorted everything out. All the turbo, cleaned all the turbo out for me. And my van has never run so fast, and it's so responsive, it's unbelievable. And I'm absolutely pleased that I took it to Errol. I will always use Errol, and I recommend him to anybody, and I'm the happiest person alive now.
Well,
thank you, Errol.
Well, you've seen it. He's a happy man, happy as Larry. Right, we come to the end of another video. We are supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Bromley, Kent. www.supremedpfcleaning.com. Telephone number 07533 636 194. Thanks for watching.